Yeah, I'll go up. So you get that side in the front.
Okay.
And the porch. Good morning. All right. Yeah, so you get that left side in the front. I'll take care of this back side and this side. All right. Stay tuned. All right, y'all. We are here in Conyers, Georgia. And I'm going to go ahead and take me a little bite to eat. OG gonna get started. He's somewhere over there. He's somewhere back there. He gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna eat. He ate while I was on the way. Yeah, stay tuned. All right, y'all, the house is done. It said it's finishing up the front steps here. Yeah, they're doing this thing. Yeah, house turned out pretty good. What you think? Let me know in the comments. Turned out pretty good to me. Let's go around to the back, check it out. Simple, basic house washing, basic house wash mix, operating at like 1%, 1.5%, no more than 2% on house wash mix. Doesn't require a whole lot of bleach, a whole lot of SH, a whole lot of chlorine, whatever you want to call it. It doesn't require a lot. Make sure you got a good surfactant so that it'll cling to the surface to start to break down the mold and the mildew. And your outcomes will be pretty consistent with the right mix. Don't think too deep. Keep it simple. Most importantly, keep it clean. You want it done right, High Pros, AffordPaintPower.com, 770-736-2622. Stay tuned to the next one. I think we got about 4 on the books today. Talk to y'all later. Peace.